Here.
Hey, what's up, you guys? So today I woke up at 7. Diego let us sleep in and took him out twice, and everything's fine. Like, he seems fine, but he has a runny nose and discharge coming from his mouth, from his nose, and he's sneezing, and I'm just worried. So we're gonna take him to the vet. We're gonna go at 4 o'clock and we're gonna see what's up. He's just like runny nose all over the couch, and like when he's sleeping and he's like breathing out like, you know, snot. So I just want to make sure that he's okay. I mean, overall he seems fine. Like his appetite is fine, he's drinking, he's exercising, he's moving, he's totally fine. It's just I'm worried. So we're gonna check it out, and I'll keep you updated. It's gonna be a super chill day. I don't think we're gonna do too much. We're trying to figure out a movie to watch. It is 11 o'clock. I just uploaded my video from last night. It was a little late, a few hours, if you will. I really wanted to make sure that I uploaded every day. But last night I had a really good time, and I just hung out with friends, and I didn't want to like stop the party to like edit and upload. So I just waited until the morning. I came home, went to sleep, got up and did it first thing in the morning. So I still did it. I still got it done. Everything's fine. It's actually a really good vlog. I did like vlogging and cleaning together. So if you guys missed that, definitely go check it out. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. Hold on. Okay guys, I made my famous shakshuka. I know. It looks awesome. I'm so excited. You can't really see the color that well because of the sun, but ooh-wee, I'm excited. Alright guys, so we just found fleas on Diego. A little bit worried about that. Just want to get that under control. And he also has a runny nose, and he's been sneezing a lot. So we decided we're going to take him to the vet, and we're going to see what's up. And while we're out, we'll probably just run around, see if there's anything that we can grab outside before we come home. And then, yeah. So I just wanted to update you. I'll probably update you along the way. Bless you, Diego. To Diego's vet appointment, and I'm sure everything is gonna be fine, and we're gonna get a lot of treats for him whenever he comes home. He just ate something off the ground. I mean, he's literally seems fine, like personality wise, like no worries. I'm not worried at all. He definitely seems fine, but we just want to get it checked out because better to be safe than sorry. So that's it. It's a beautiful day in Tel Aviv. Diego, Shiv. Shiv. Okay, go Shiv. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Diego. He's so excited. I think he's more excited from the treat. Okay, so this is snow, like vegan milk ice. It's a Korean dessert. I've never tried it. It's mango with almonds and stuff. I'm gonna just try it now because, oh, it's topped also with mango sorbet. Mmm. And it's not so sweet, which I love. Oh, mango is such a good call. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow.
No, I want some.
Wow. This is top level. This is really good. Wow. It's a little cold in my teeth, but it's so good. Oh my god. It is so good. This is like legit. Do you have any Korean followers? Any Korean subscribers that know what the heck this is? I have no clue. But it's in Tel Aviv. It's super, super tasty. Definitely recommend. We also got kanafe from this place. I would show you, but it's like all packaged. Diego. And he gave me a clementina. He gave me a clementine as like, he asked me if I wanted papaya? No. If I wanted papaya? No. If I wanted a different type of fruit, I just can't remember the name. But guava. If I wanted guava, and I said, yeah, I'd try it, but he didn't have to. Okay, Diego, we gotta go. Alright, I'll talk to you guys when we get home. Yeah, let's turn the camera. Okay, everyone. So, it seems like really late right now. It's only really 7:20, but it feels really late, and we're both really tired. Diego is really tired, but he's gonna go to the bathroom and then go to sleep. We're all going to sleep early. We're gonna get up early tomorrow. And I just wanted to end the vlog because I don't really think we're gonna be doing much else. I ate the kanafe, half the kanafe, and the dessert. Oh my god, the Korean dessert was amazing. So I'm like, you guys can see like my eyes are shutting. I'm so tired, so I'm gonna go to sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe for more videos like it. Bye.